Here we had 2 oaks and they were dying, like a lot of the rest of this. And because this species and this species, this kind of mimosa, they have the same mycorrhiza. So I thought if I put a young one, I put it in like this, very close to the old one, I thought the mycorrhiza from the new one, the young one, can help maybe the old one. And in the beginning we saw a difference. We have here 2 oaks. This one was really recovering, got new leaves again, looked a little bit more healthy again. This one was dying. So I thought, okay, experiment works, they help each other. But after 1.5 years, you saw that it was not enough. Leaves were falling off, drying out. But what you saw then at that moment, I put this young tree here and another one over there. And what you saw then is that the mycorrhiza from the young tree, what I was expecting that they would help the old one, but after 1.5 years you saw just the other way around, that the mycorrhiza, I think it was the mycorrhiza from the old tree, were helping the young one, because this one was growing much faster than the other one. And maybe you're a little bit curious why this is here. Well, this is something a little bit crazy. I have to be reminded every time that we work with nature and we can make a lot of plans and ideas, but nature is always the one who has the last word and makes the last decisions. This is a little symbol of the goddess Gaia, and it's the goddess of Mother Nature, and I put them everywhere around. So for me it's a reminder, I work together with nature, but she always has the last goal, not we, she has. So for me it's kind of a reminder, we work together.